3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone! I'm Antonio.
And I'm Sayulis.
Today we're at 𝐽𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑛𝑒𝑦 Water World in Jianyang District, Nanping City, Fujian Province. So, we're gonna go have some fun. Let's go!
Let's go! Wow!
You know, we have been visiting Jianyang for so long. And it's so nice to finally have a moment to enjoy a nice cup of tea and rest in this nice and cozy environment. Man, this is the life.
Yeah, it really makes me feel alive and refreshed. I'm hyped to start our journey.
Me too.
Let's go!
Oh, man.
Wow.
All right, let's get to a pose. Wow, you know, being on this sightseeing deck, you get to see the beautiful rivers and mountains. It really cleanses your soul, you know? And also, it feels like it carries away all your troubles for a sweet moment.
I totally agree with that.
Yeah. Hey guys!
Masha Phoebe Forest is the oldest, best protected, and largest artificial Nanmu feng shui forest in China.
Also one of the filming sites for the hit show of the legend, Journey to the West. Here is where Sun Wukong, the Monkey King, fought the Bull Demon King, and he won. So if you come here, you'll basically be in the filming set of one of the most historical and famous shows in China.
Wow.
Yo, Sayulis, got a question for you.
Okay.
Do you know how old this tree is called Phoebe Jianyang are?
Maybe 500 years?
You should have gone higher. I'll reveal the
Oh my
answer
God.
for you. It's over 1,100 years old.
Wow, you can tell that it has a long history.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
You know, in the Phoebe Jianyang forest, every tree is like a witness to history, and it makes people feel in awe.
And us too.
As we stroll around here, we smell the sweet aroma of Phoebe Jianyang and breathe in the unique charm of this ancient forest.
Bamboos are an integral part of forests like this, and it is also a perfect place for me to do some martial arts with this sword.
If you're looking for a place where you can relax and take beautiful photos, this is the best spot.
Whoa! It's a garden-like high-end resort.
This is awesome.
Yeah, it truly is.
The architecture and natural landscape here are perfectly integrated, making people feel like they are in a painting.
Right?
Wow.
This place takes advantage of the natural resources of the ecological landscape to create China's unique high-end resort facilities.
I totally agree with that. This place is classy and unique. The vacation experience here is absolutely amazing.
Definitely recommend it.
Hi guys! I see you all in Jianyang, but why didn't you call me?
What? How do you know? Where are you?
Okay, I'll show you where I am. You just wait.
Whoa!
Hi!
Hey, Lisa! You have got to teach me that trick, man.
Jianyang and I will teach you anything.
Ah, so funny. Hey Lisa, do you know that in here you can really experience the fusion between modern and traditional China?
Yeah, and I've heard that there is a river, something like 𝐽𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑛𝑒𝑦, and it runs through the whole Changjiang village.
Yeah, it really is. So we're gonna follow this stone path and then it's gonna lead us to that beautiful river stream. Oh man, I wish I can spend my summer vacation here.
That's quite good.
Yo, what you got there?
This. Well, I guess you will have to find out for yourselves.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, so refreshing. Okay, hold this towel for me, guy. Hey guys, so now we're at 𝐽𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑛𝑒𝑦 village with an altitude of 970 meters.
Wow. 970.
Yes.
Isn't it just incredible? And as far as I know, this village is the only one in Jianyang that entirely was in the national park's territory. And moreover, it's even the birthplace of Zhengshan Xiaozhong.
Yeah, and I've heard that Zhengshan Xiaozhong is the world's earliest black tea with a history of over 400 years.
The air here is so fresh that people can't help themselves but to take a deep breath, as if it can carry away all your worries.
Yeah, same here. Well, just imagine, the air here, with each breath, you inhale more than 50,000 negative oxygen ions. So wouldn't it just take away all your weariness, tiredness, and just bring you back to your energetic self, isn't it? And actually, if you yourself want to feel like what it is when you're on top, in such a high mountain, and breathe fresh air, then outer village is definitely a good choice.
Jianyang district in Nanping City is a place full of cultural wonder and joy. And I can't wait to see you next time.
See you guys next time. Bye!